Today we're having a look at the HOMIEE Diaper Changing Backpack. This is a backpack made for the parent in mind. This is a fantastic quality waterproof backpack. We'll go ahead and take the zipper off the top of it to open it up. Really high quality zippers on this backpack, and check out the storage space inside. We've got an enormous amount of space to store all types of parent goodness. We've also got the very nice front pocket here. We'll unzip that. We'll take a look inside. This pocket is insulated and can store up to 3 bottles, so a very, very handy feature to this. And obviously it's got some quality zippers on it as well. We have the side little pockets here. This will zip out as well for extra storage space. And we'll go around to the other side as well. Nice big deep pockets on here as well. So lots of different items that you can store. The straps are of excellent quality. We also have this back little pocket right here. And this is really nice where you can store your wallet or maybe even a little tablet or something that you don't want anyone to have access from the front of it. And the inside, the amount of pockets is just amazing. We've also got this really cool feature of a USB cable, and the USB cable you can actually put right through the backpack, and you can actually connect it to a charger, so you can actually charge your phone up. Very, very handy feature. The main thing that I think that makes this bag stand apart is the amount of pockets on the inside and the amount of stuff that this bag can carry. When you actually get this bag, it seems like it's on the medium to small size, but when you actually open it up, the way that it extends, the amount of pockets on the inside of it, it's truly a large, great size bag. And the adjustability of the straps on here as well, very, very nice. We've got these little clips on top for full adjustability and tightness as well. Once you put all your baby items into the bag, you can zip it all closed very easily. We'll zip the top of the bag up as well, and it just snaps together, and it kind of collapses folded on the top, so it does stay nice and snug. I really like that feature, how the zipper drops down. If we go ahead and put the bag on, you can see that the bag does sit quite low if you need it to. A lot of people prefer to have the bag sitting low, but you can fully adjust that. And if we walk around, you can see it's very comfortable. It's very nice. It's not too big for the average lady in mind. If we adjust the straps up, we have it sit nice and snug. It's a great and perfect size. I will put a link in the description box below, so if you want to check out the current pricing or pick one of these bags up yourself, you can go ahead and do that. Thank you very much for watching this video.